because I don't want to destroy my eyes by oil, very hot oil.
What do we have here?
Pork. Frying it a bit so I can put in
What's the recipe?
stew. Some sort of stew. We're putting some onion to make it, oniony.
Oniony.
Yeah, very oniony.
Just put all of it. Don't put it one by one.
I added the garlic now. And it's starting to smell good. You can't smell it, of course, because this is a video.
What you got?
Got some oregano leaves. I'm gonna put that in our food. It smells nice.
Rub it with your palm of your hand together. There you go. What's next?
Crushed rosemary. A handful.
Not too much.
Yeah, it's better.
Rub it with your palm together. And last
and
one.
our parsley flakes.
Not too much.
I think I'm gonna reduce this one. It's a bit strong, So I don't want to put too much. Now, I'll just mix this together. Oh, good. On my hand. Adding in some potatoes. There we go. Potato adding is done now. Add some of the celery.
All of it. Don't
This
waste
one
any leaves.
Yeah, gotta get some of this grass. This mutated grass.
Okay.
I wanna glaze this genetically enhanced grass. No, it's just celery. I'll still call it genetically.
Put that thing. Put it in
I'm
there.
just gonna soften up the bottom of the pan. Come on, what's going on here? I'm just gonna put water. Genetically enhanced. Yeah, stop calling it genetically enhanced grass and start calling it stew. And this is hot
There.
water.
Look at your stool.
Yeah, my stool. Because I need to.
You need more water?
Nah, I like it. Lord, this is heavy. Okay, and now we're gonna cover it and simmer. That covers it.
Wait for how many minutes? About what?
Stew minutes. Till it's stew. Till it's soup. And we're gonna add some flour. We shall make our thickening agent for the soup. I mean the stew. It's not soup. Soup is less thick. Now that the meat is tender, let's just pour this in.
Just grab. Okay, that's enough for now. And mix it right away because it will curdle.
Yes. Okay.
It's okay.
But you can never have too much. I'm gonna taste this broth. Pretty good.
It's enough?
Yeah. Maybe a little thicker.
Yeah, you can adjust to your own consistency.
Because I
Not
want
all
it.
of it.
Yeah, not all of it. I want it a little. You can adjust to your consistency, but this seems fine to me.
Good? Okay.
Serve in a bowl and you got your food.
It looks good.
Hot.